We are Team Innovations, and this is our Market and Competition presentation for Session 8. I'm Ren, and these are my teammates, Taylor, Arlene, and Crystal. We are going to start our presentation by going over our product and its purpose and an introduction to the new developments in our business plan. Shown in this slide is our product data sheet. We are currently in the conceptual design phase of our product, the Universal Identification Card. The feature areas that we hope to focus on include efficiency, safety, service, simplification, personalization. These areas became the 5 factors in our dimensional competitive analysis report. In the re-evaluation of our product market, our design team has generated the following list of consumers and affiliated competitors. Due to our wide-ranging consumers, we split up the analysis into 3 different studies. As you can see, we had different competitors for different customer markets. Tables 1 through 3 shows a different numerical analysis that was done to create each dimensional competition analysis chart. Each competitor was rated for each factor on a scale of 1 through 10, 1 being the lowest and 10 being the highest. Each factor was then weighted for each consumer. This is due to the different demands of each customer base. Finally, the factor weight was multiplied by the factor rank, and this gave us our values for each point. Overall, for the commercialized companies and the U.S. citizens, Team Innovations came out on top. However, for the government defense companies, Universal ID Systems came out on top. This is due to the fact that their customer market is only for the government defense companies. Their services and products are focused on that market. The competitive graphic is represented in this slide. Notice the trends for each competition. In general, our product has the highest average. Team Innovations Universal ID is represented in green. It has the highest average value to uniqueness ratio. Symantec has the lowest uniqueness ratio, but is comparable to our product's value to customer averages. The Universal ID System product is consumer-based. There's no application for U.S. citizens and commercialized companies. This is why their value to consumer averages are so low for those 2 customer bases. Their system, however, is incredibly detailed and developed. This is why their uniqueness factor is extremely high. Now we will take a closer look at our competition. Symantec is a security company that provides software and services for any information use or storage utility. They have devised a system that would create a universal identification system across all websites, Security 2.0. Their key value is information security, which by definition is the means to protect information and information systems from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or destruction. As a team, we can't underestimate the power, capability, and accessibility of the Internet. We need to accommodate our technological design thinking towards the Internet. This is why Symantec's developing technology is extremely interested to us. They will either become a fierce long-term competitor or a strong alliance. Universal ID Systems. This company, as stated previously, has a limited and specific customer base. They do what they do best. Currently, they have existing customers such as Boeing, Airbus, Lockheed Martin, and Northrop Grumman. They provide both part manufacturing as well as services rendered. This branch company was specifically created to provide a solution to all DoD mandates. They have a specific target audience, in particular defense companies, and they provide specific services and products to cater to their consumers' needs, or their system. If we want to achieve our ideal universal ID, this includes government branches. There will be additional codes that we need to abide by, and this means that our company would have to have many more sectors than originally planned. In other words, not only will we have to provide a product that works, we would also need to provide the services that are needed as well. We need a system. The following is a list of questions that we would ask our value network participants, such as our customer, supplier, partners, and investment analysts. These value network participants were generated by first creating the value network model shown on this slide. Notice that we do not provide services. As stated previously, after comparing our product and business plan to our competitions, we plan to revise it so that we have another avenue on this model for services. It will further diversify our product and enable us to be more competitive. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions or comments, please leave one below.